Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And this is going to be a take two because first one, my phone rang and for some reason I forgot to, I didn't look up and it stopped taping. And then I made a little mistake. So I guess I just wiped it all and we're just gonna start all over again. So this is a redo of my first, and so here we go again. I'm gonna do a swipe. I'm gonna be using mostly pigments, and I'm gonna use Shelee's cell activator. So I'm going to start out with This Little Piggy Techno. Maybe I won't start out with that. Maybe I'll start out with Atelier Cobalt Turquoise Light. And I'll add some Harvest Gold, This Little Piggy. Maybe I won't do a swipe. Maybe I'll actually do a bloom. This Little Piggy Sapphire. Let's see. This Little Piggy Lily Pad. A little Color Art Sunset Glow. And back towards the middle. And Golden Quinacridone Magenta Soft Body Golden. Oh. And you know what, I'll leave, I think I might leave that Techno out. I might add a little extra gold because I like the flare of the gold. Just a drop, two. Some extra gold. And I'm going to, oops, let's put this back up here. Keep that up if we can. I'm going to use a Pebeo iridescent blue for my cell activator. Okay. See if I can blow this from here. hitting that, which I didn't want to do. I hit that pillow underneath. Besides for this little piece right here, that little white, I'm loving this whole thing. So I'm wondering if I can transfer any of this color. But I could pull some off of here. Get any of that color to come right here. I wonder if that's possible. Let's see. I don't know. Alright, let's give it one more spin. That was quite a spin. I thought it should have been stuck for sure. Well, it didn't ruin anything. Well, luckily it didn't ruin anything. Right. I do like the way everything else looks in here, so I think I'm actually going to leave it at this and call it a day. I like the way everything else looks in this bloom. Let me bring it up. To show you. You can see how that looks. Hoping all those little cells stay in the middle. I love all the shimmer. That Atelier looks gorgeous. That cobalt blue, absolutely beautiful. So I'm happy with this. I'm happy the way it came out. Please let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Give me a thumbs up. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. And have a great weekend. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Stay safe out there. Wait for the close-up. Donna from Hollywood, signing off today. Bye-bye now.